Have you ever been betrayed, hurt, or disrespected? That fire inside you screams to get even, to show them they messed with the wrong person. But what if I told you, the best revenge isn't anger, it isn't confrontation, it's something far more powerful, something the ancient Stoics mastered. They discovered a revenge so effective, it leaves your enemies powerless, and elevates you beyond their reach. Revenge is often seen as payback, a way to balance the scales. But Stoicism teaches us a higher truth, that true power doesn't come from retaliation. It comes from mastering yourself. Instead of wasting your energy on those who wronged you, imagine transforming your pain into unstoppable growth. In this video, you'll learn the ultimate Stoic approach to revenge, one that makes those who hurt you completely irrelevant. 1. Indifference is the ultimate power. When someone hurts you, they crave your reaction. They feed off your pain. The moment you stop reacting, you stop fueling them. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Detach. Move on. Let them drown in their bitterness while you rise, calm and untouchable. 2. Success is the greatest silence. The Stoics believed that the truest revenge is simply to live well. Picture this. The person who doubted you watches as you grow, succeed, and thrive. Without their help, without their presence, without their permission. They expected your downfall. Instead, you rise higher. Show them they were never an obstacle, only a lesson. 3. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. You can't control what others do, but you can always control how you respond." Every moment you spend replaying their betrayal gives them free rent in your mind. Take that power back. Refocus your attention on what truly matters, your growth. 4. Master your emotions. Master your life. Anger chains you to the past, but self-control, that's freedom. The Stoics trained themselves to feel nothing toward those who wronged them. Imagine standing face to face with someone who once hurt you, and feeling absolutely nothing. No hate, no rage, no weakness. Your silence becomes thunder. The less you care, the stronger you become. 5. Live so well, they become irrelevant. The ultimate revenge is to build a life so good, they no longer even matter. They expected you to fall apart, but instead, you flourish, you grow, you evolve, you become something they can't touch. That's Stoicism. You don't just move on, you rise above. 6. Final thought. Your peace is their defeat. At the end of the day, the greatest revenge isn't about them. It's about you. When you finally reach the point where their actions can't disturb your peace, you've already won. Because nothing disarms your enemies more completely than your calm. Your peace is their defeat. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever wanted revenge, but chose strength instead? Share your story in the comments below. And if this video spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next lesson from the Stoic Tide will make you unstoppable. Stay strong, stay grounded, stay stoic.